Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss about multimodal inputs. So as of now, we have seen that we have given the input as a text data as an input, and we got the output as in the text data. So what if we have some picture and you ask the Gemini models to check and say like what exactly it is there in the picture, right? So what I'm going to do, what is exactly multimodal inputs? So the Gemini API supports multimodal inputs, multimodal, which means that allowing you to combine text with media files. So we are going to give image, some image. So for example, let's say some people are there in the image, okay, and they're having a pizza or something like a family dinner, and then we will ask the AI, the model, to predict and say like what exactly is this. Okay, so this is the image. I'm going to give us an input to the model, and then let's see how it's going to say. So let's deep dive into our collab, and here there is a folder button. Click on this one, click on upload, and upload this image. Click on OK. This is fine for me. And then okay, just click on these three vertical dots, click on copy path, and now let's do this one. So from Google, so let's import our Gen AI library, and also from Google we need the key, so we need the collab, import user data, and also I need to handle the images. We need image library from PIL, Python image library, um, import image. Okay, so let's get our API key first. API key is equal to user data.get Google API key, and then let's start the client. Client is equal to GenAI.client. API key is equal to API key, and then so we have image, right? So we already have copied this one from like this one. Let's paste it over there here. So image is equal to image dot open. So let's paste this one. So now our Python or Colab knows that whenever we call this image, it goes this image keyword like variable, it goes and it calls this image, which is good. Now the code mostly is like same. Response is equal to client dot models dot generate content, because we are going to generate the content, though our input is an image, but we the output is the generate content, right? So model, again I'm going to use Gemini 2.5 flash. Okay, this is good. And then here the contents. So until as of now, what we have been doing over here, we were passing the text as an input, but here I'm going to pass the image. Okay, I'm having an array contents, right? And then so tell me. So I'm going to ask a question here. Tell me about this image in few words. Okay, that's it. Print response dot text. Let's see whether our model can handle this random dinner party image or not. Okay, you can see that a multi-generational family joyfully celebrating a holiday meal together. We never said that what is there in the image, but it went and it read the image and it gave that one. So this is how you can play with more images. And for example, let's say you want to read some data from the image. So if you, for example, let's say we have like some 100 photos, for each and everything you would like to generate a caption. This is one way how you can do this one. And also one more thing, so always keep an eye API key. So if you come into the building section, it will. I mean, as of now, it is not showing anything over here, which is good. But if you're dealing with like a huge data amount and all, so we are just using the trial sampling one. So I mean, if you're using it for your company or like production or like career, like then you have to set up the billing, and based on the tokens or the words count, they will charge accordingly. So that's something you have to remember, because we are using it for the learning purpose. Please only use this for the learning purpose, and if you want to try more, it will not able to generate. Thank you for watching this video.